Amazing. So back live on stream. This is working actually really well. So what yeah, this is actually working incredibly well. So now that that's solved, I think, do I work on the stuff again? I do not know. But yeah. Also 0 viewers is wild. 0 viewers is straight up wild. You know? But yeah. So time to advertise it. Yeah. Amazing. Cool. We have the Roomba still here. I'm going to close all of these tabs because it is cool. Now, yeah, so perf problem is solved, and now it's time to, have some fun with the tech. Well, I mean, I just need to get like a 3D VTuber avatar, right? I just need to get a 3D. Also, what I need to do now, because I know the perf issue solved, is I can delete the history deletion. Cool. Now I just need to get. Yeah. So I know Amica is doing some. You know, Amica is doing something similar here. What is right? So they have stuff here. 3 VRM. Okay, what is this? It's run in the browser. VLTF. What? Look at some of these examples. Uh, basic. Cool. We're rendering a model. This is good. Uh, animations. Okay. Cool. This feels like what I want to be using. Ah, I'm not making a mixed account. However, cool. So that checks out. 3JS. Cool. These are all in browser. Yes. Let me look at the sources. Perform the render loop. Okay. Has web GPU compatibility. Cool. So I just need this to exist and send, some stuff. Yeah, okay, how do I do this? Like, how do I figure out how to, yeah, solid GLVF. Okay, what is a VRM as well? Yeah, okay, so hold on. Let me check. Okay, step one, let me check if I can do this rendering like in OBS. So hold on, let me modify the OBS. Let me create a new browser source. Yes. Then URL that. Okay. Okay, cool. So we can have that there. It's just front on, right? Which is fine. Let me copy the animation example. And let me paste that in. Let's see how it goes. Okay, cool. So I can have it display in OBS. Cool. Now, yeah, okay. And the example code should be here. Hold on. Let me wget it real quick. Okay, I'm gonna make a new folder for this just so it's in a nice place. I'm gonna call it avatar. Cool. Let me wget this. Cool. Now, hopefully, I can local file. Yes. And then where is cool. Now let me load in the HTML file. And that's not fully working. Why? Huh? This should be opening up in the browser. In the OBS browser. Hold on. Let me open the animations in Google Chrome. It's not doing anything. Why? Cores. Of course it's cores. It's always cores. I have web GPU enabled. Okay, cool. It works with web GPU. So, cool. Ah, that's annoying. Example. Obviously, I have to do stuff with NPM maybe eventually, but I don't have to do that yet. Let me go to documentations. Also, Pixit. Pixit's the... Sure. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Amazing. Now what I need to do is I just need to set it up in such a way where it does stuff. Because, okay, how do I fix cores? Alright, Stack Overflow. Let's fix cores, shall we? Let's solve cores. Web page. Oh, run the browser, allow file access from files flag. Okay. Flagged. Yeah. Unfortunate. Is the AB1? Hold on, I saw AB1 here somewhere. Huh. Yes, sir. Oh, I have to relaunch my browser for that. Whatever. Whatever. That's fine. That is a thing that is fine. Yeah. Cool. I think... Yeah. That's actually slightly annoying that just having the HTML on there won't work. In OBS. Because of course. unfortunate. With Mixamo, right? Yeah, this feels. You know what? I'm gonna do this on stream. I'm just gonna hit the washroom real quick. Right. I'll be right back. So I'll be in the washroom real quick while I figure out how to show this in OBS in the first place. All right, I'm back. So what I need to do at this point is just figure out how I can show this in OBS, right? Because if I use the public URL, it like works just fine, right? But then if I'm running it locally, it doesn't. Though it says I do need a server, and I have to deal with cores. That's okay. Well, let me just set this up in a server then, like a Python server. So install Flask. Uh, Wait, no, I already installed it. Minimal application, yes, sir. Read. Now, right. And then done the main here. What we do at this point is we do that one. Okay, cool. I'll open up in this browser. Hold on. So we bring it here. We run into cores issue. Oh, 404. So we do it again, have the HTML. I don't care about everything else. Is the problem cores again? What? What is the problem here? Fail to load resource, status 404 not found. Yeah, okay. API reference, sure. Cool. You will need all of these. We need to import these, yeah. Yeah, I'm not familiar with 3JS, yeah. Let me look at uh, let me look at the basic HTML, right? There's the issue. We import this as a local file. Let me look at the animation. The problem here is that we have, in essence, we are not actually doing. I assume it's because, yeah, it's lib. It's lib. It's lib. Cool. Where's the clone? Cool. What files do we need here? Let's look at the source. Okay, how do I... Oh, nice. There's just a nice URL for it that I can then just paste in here. Cool. Now, let me go to... Okay, hold on. There we go. I assume the model is not there? Yeah, the model's not there. Cool. Now I just need to set up a nice VRM. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this should... Okay, cool. Okay, cool. There's people doing stuff. Will this let me make a VRM? This is in Japanese. Google Translate, save me. No, it's not saving me. Right, because it's all Japanese. Unfortunate. Yeah. What is this? Yes. What is it? Import it. It wants me to use VOD Studio for this. Let's browse this because I just need one VRM, right? So come on, let's. What are the licensing on? Where's the licensing here? Obviously, we can view this. Oh, Pixiv. Ah, that company. The company was stealing. Well, not stealing. We're using the library. Cool. Can you use it? No. There we go. Where is... Hold on, let me go back. Where is the can we use it? Hold on. Link to apps I don't particularly care. Hold on. Because I don't need any featured hashtags. Just like, let me download a VRM for testing. Okay, hold on. Sample models, yes. Sample model, let's go. Can we use it? Yes. Attribute unnecessary. I have to, sure. Create account. You got it. You connect to my Google account. Amazing. Now we just have to connect it up and then write code to use it. You know, bridges, sure, bridge, bridge, bridge. I forgot a bridge, whatever. Sent to my email. I will not be publicizing my email on stream. That is not something I will be doing. Verification code. Mail. Birth date. I had to do a birth date. Cool. After sample A. Obviously, copyright has not been waived. Cool. The fact attribution unnecessary is there is wild, but yeah. Cool. Now what I have to do is we save the VRM there. Cool. Get models. Okay, hold on. So let me remove basic HTML. So, okay, hold on. Let me go to animations.html. Where do we get the boom? Dot slash, and then we're just going to get model.vrm. And then in here, we're just going to slash model.vrm, open, and then v.read. Cool. Let's run it. Unfortunate. I forgot to rename it. Model, and then in here I'm gonna have code running here. Come on, how's the loading going? There we go. Cool. We have a model loaded and working. Now what I can do is I can connect this into OBS. It's literally just localhost 5000. Settings. Go. There we go. There we go. Now, of course, it's backwards, but that's fine. We can modify that, right? I have to refresh the browser because it's loaded. Whatever. Whatever. And then, well, no, let me just start the server. Cool. And then, cool. Now we have the animations here. So, camera, target, that's the point. Oh dear God, possible typo. I need to turn off the syntax highlighting because this is really annoying. Yeah. How to? No, let me. It's probably just in Mason. You know what? Sure. Let me update the packages, and then so none of those do anything. Now I have to head to the top here. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, cool. We have installed stuff, and so we just need to. Okay, hold on. What does I repeated a white space mean? If I'm in insert mode, it goes away. Cool. I'm just gonna stay in insert mode. So, camera, perspective. I need to learn 3JS. Documentation. Creating scene, perspective camera. What is, so first is field of view. Good. FOV of webcam. 50 is about mid-range. Okay, well, let's set this to 50. Cool. Aspect ratio, yeah, we just copy the one, whatever. Near and far clipping plane, I do not care. Next up is the renderer. You can use some stuff, so camera.position.set. So X, Y, Z. Hold on, let me. So we start here. So we need to set the Z to be lower. So let's set the Z to be -5. And then refresh this and default camera. Nice. Now you need to get OBS to. How do I get OBS to refresh it? Refresh cache and print page. Okay, this is the button. Cool. Okay, so I need to get the camera closer. Let's say it's 2. Okay, let's get a little bit closer. So I'll set it at 1 and I'll raise the camera up. So 1 and then I raise the camera up on the Y's up, Y's up. So I'll set this to 2. I also need to raise the. I can probably bring the camera in even closer. Hold on. Target set Y. I'll set it to 2 because I just want like a nice face cam, you know. Cool. Now you lower the camera. Number 5. Cool. I need to bring the camera in a little bit closer. So, I don't know, I'll set it at -0.5. Bring the camera down a little bit, so let's say 3. Okay, maybe 1.4 was actually better. Cool. Now we have a thing that perchance works, you know? So there it is inside of our OBS. You can see it in the bottom right corner. Nice, nice, nice. Now I needed to actually do something, right? So controls is sure. Directional light. Loader is the GLTF loader, yep. We load the VRM, that's fine. Now we need to prepare animation. There's the animation. Cool. So left upper arm, and we're multiplying it by the Quaternion. Oh dear God. Quaternion. So Quaternion A is 0. Blink track is blink 0051. Oh, so we're having the eyelid, which is the blinking, and we're having it go down a little bit. So what I want to do here, what happens if I set this to 1? We're in playing mode now. We're in playing mode. Is that time? Huh? Oh! Hold on. Open, close. Wait, then what is... Okay. Number keyframe track. Hold on. 3JS docs animation. Number keyframe track. So name times values. Okay. So at 0 seconds, it should be at state 0. At 0.5, it's at 1, and at 1, it's 0. Cool. This is really nice. How do I... Okay, this is actually really nice. This is really nice. So what I need to do at this point is I just need to set it up as... Yeah, so what I need to do is I just need to get the AI to be a little bit more interactive. How do I get it to be more interactive? I get it to be more interactive by setting it up so, okay, obviously I want to set the arms to be like normal, right? Like not moving around too much. Turning on the times. So we go from, we rotate it by 0.25. We're rotating you by 0.01. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that's nice. Nice little bit of lively rotation. However, I want returning on A, you have to set from Euler, and they're just both going to be 0.25. This is going to be 0.24. Yeah. Let me check the animation. Well, I mean, here's what we only care about. Yeah, that's good. Now you do the other side, right? So on the other side, paste this down here on track 2, and this is going to be left upper arm. Now we're doing this at the right upper arm. There's an animation runner. Track 2, and the blink track. Cool. I have to go the other way. Oh, right. So B is fine as is. What? Okay, sure. We make them both positive, and then the right one, we have... Okay, so put 20 on A. Yeah, cool. Paste this in here. And I'm just gonna re-edit the values to, be good. And then okay, what is the problem here? Quad A has already been declared. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2. Obviously, this is just temporary, right? But, yeah. Nice. I'm also changing the blink. So instead of it going down to 1, I want to change this to 0.05. I don't know. Cool. So now we have minor animations going on here. What we need to do here is we need to take... Okay, let me update the OBS as well. Because this is a nice view of the progress we are making. Cool. Now what we need to do is we just need to make the renderer here. We just need to make it based on a file that we get repeatedly from the server. So the web server is going to have the file. That's like, which animation do we play? Yeah. Also, change about mixable animation. Do I really want to do a mixo animation? I don't think so. Hold on. 3 VRM. Look at the examples. Look at first person. Notice? Oh, control facial expressions using blend shapes. Okay, well, what's this? Well, where is the main HTML? Like, I know it's script type module. There we go. There is the code. So we've loaded it. Animate. So math.sign, expression manager dot set value blink. Okay, so we can just set the value. Cool. Okay, that checks out a little bit. That does in fact check out a little bit. Yeah. So what I need to do is I need to just see if I can get the current value out of a what's it called? I need the current value out of it and then do stuff. But yeah. Okay. Cool. Let me see if I can just get the mouth movement working based on the current audio output of my device. Right? So hold on. Get current desktop audio level states on. Like it's only applicable to Windows, which is not good. Well, let's go to PyPy. Let's go to PyPy. Audio. Audio dot. There's a whole bunch of stuff in audio. Okay. Hold on. I'm literally using PyAudio. Hold on. What? Text to speech.py. We've generated it, and then we play it. Busy time of sleep. Okay, cool. Pygame mixer. Let's look at the Pygame mixer. Let us look at the Pygame mixer. How do I get the current volume? Don't get busy. Yup. Create it. Get in it. Stop. Pause. Unpause. Fade out. Set num channels. Get num channels. Set reserve. Find channel. Get busy. Dot sound. Mixer dot music. Sure. Dot play. Whatever. How do I get the current audio value? Huh? Huh? What are the high game mixer? What are the like very? Oh my god! Mixer music. Mixer music. Dot. Look. Get volume. Print. Mixer dot music dot get volume. So either this will be a very consistent number or this will be changing consistently, right? So let's find out.
This is a TTS test.
It is a very consistent number. Unfortunate. Current sound high game mixer dot. The current emitted volume. Pi mixer dot sound dot get volume. Ah. So I put on a channel and I get the channel volume. Huh? Wait. Print my sound dot get volume. It's just mixer dot sound. Remember, it's just mixer dot sound.
This is a TTS test.
It's that's unfortunate. Mixer dot play. Process wave data. What is F? Wave. What is wave? So you process the wave data. Okay, hold on. Import wave. Cool. And of course, output.mp3 is output. Uh, Print wave data. It needs to be a .wav file. Dang. Okay, well, we know the time that's passed, right? So what we can do instead is just have it, like, just get the raw WAV data, right? So get audio level from MP3 Python. Oh, there we go. FFmpeg.io. Oh, and I just used FFmpeg? Okay, hold on. Let's use FFmpeg.io. And NumPy, of course. Let's see if that works. I forgot to put the file name. Output.mp3. And then numpy has no output range. A range. What are we even trying to do? Volume norm is this. Are we even editing volume norm? No, we're not.
This is a TTS test.
Oh, sometimes it's numbers. Okay. What is the time step of this? Huh? So for everything in the file, block size. Okay, let's set the block size to be 128 frames at a time. No. 1024 frames at a time. How many blocks
This is
are
a
there?
TTS test.
That's a lot of blocks. That is a lot of blocks. Hold on. We have we're dealing with a lot of blocks here. So, what I need to do here is just continually edit the blocks. No. Figure out how long is the frame in. Wait. 1152 per second. No! Wait.
This is a TTS test.
No, it's definitely figuring out more than that, though. FPV frame length. So. I don't care about the number of bytes per frame, I care about the amount of time per frame. MP3 time-wise. What are these guys doing? I don't care about them. End frame. Alright, let me delete that comment. But no, this is, I think, exactly what we want. The main problem is, sorry, total number of frames. This on a frame by frame basis. I am commenting out the print, and then frame plus equals 1. Print total number of frames, and we also have to print the size of the length of. We can find that out elsewhere.
This is a TTS test.
48384. And it's just more than a second. I think we're at exactly 44,100 per second, right? So, yeah. So, because, I mean, that makes sense. 0 frames per second. Cool. So, number of frames. Let's do this. Well, we're doing it at 30 FPS, right? So, 30, what do we get? 1470, okay. 1470. Volume is a list. Volume dot append int of volume norm. Cool, we have volume. Then, because we're doing 30 frames a second, 1.0 over 30.0, print volume of, and then the frame thing. So we need all right, cool. Let's see how this
This
goes.
is a TTS.
This. Yeah, I think this is. Wait, what's the problem here? Oh, we didn't get the last one.
This is a TTS.
Huh?
This is a TTS test.
If 1470 is. Hold on, let's try that.
This is a TTS.
So it's not that. Does it work at 1200?
This is a TTS test.
1200 is too low for a 30th of a second.
This is a TTS test.
So 1000 is enough. No, it's almost enough.
This is a TTS test.
44, 45, 46, 47, 48. It's like 1 and a bit seconds. Alright, we're just going to do search at this point.
This is a TTS test.
Okay, you know, I'm just going to leave the frame size here to 1000. And we'll assume we have 30,000 frames a second. Yeah. Cool. Now, we have the volumes. Right? I mean, it still ends with a.
This is a TTS test. This is a TTS test.
Okay. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna actually like find out the number of frames per like thing here. So. Okay then. So. But so we add 1 to the count. Then what we need to do is we just need to. Yeah, we just need to keep going basically. So we insert 1 to count. Then what we do is print count. Just set n frames to be 1, right? So this is the total number of things. ffmpeg IO. Full capability of ffmpeg, yep. How do I get the total amount of time? Read audio files. We're reading. I don't care about that. Okay. Literally what I need Where is the docs? Okay, hold on. I'm just going to find the length of the recording. Keep it up. No, it's output.
This is a TTS test. This is a
Properties. Cool. Audio properties. Okay, 24,000 kilohertz. That explains a bunch of stuff. So this should be 24,000 frames per second. And this should be 24,000 divided by 30, 800. So I can safely delete that, delete that, delete that. Let's see if this works.
This is a TTS test.
Cool, that works really well. Nice. And we get nice values alongside. So what we need to do then, in this case, is we need to write it to a file. So we need to open. Okay, let me delete those. Avatar. Avatar slash value dot JSON dot, and we'll write and give me that string volume of I. It's not a JSON file. Dot value dot text or whatever.
This is a TTS test.
Cool. Now when we go to avatar, cool, value text, and vim avatar.hi, and then in here, obviously we're doing this as a web server and using TCP, but you know, slash mouth value. Then we just open value.txt.read, and we just return that. Cool. And then this is going to be mouth value. Cool. And then now what we need to do is restart that, and then we need to have this in vim animations.html. Cool. Now what we need to do is we just need to get the mouth value. So okay, that's prepare animation. I don't really care. Function animate. Request animation frame. What? Prepare animation. Block and get data. If current VRM, we update it with we update double time. The mixer update. What is current mixer? Loader.load. We prepare the animation. We feed grid helper, Atlas helper. Animate request. When do we run prepare animation? Huh? When do we... Okay, so we create the animation mixer here. And then we play it. Oh, so it's based on the current mixer from here. How does JavaScript... current mixer and current VM. Okay. So we load both and then we run the update. Okay, okay, cool. Now let me go to the... Hold on, where is... VRM. Let me go to API reference and documentations. Not documentation, sorry, the examples. And in the examples, because what I don't... Okay, wait, hold on. VOM.humanoid.get get expression track name. That's what I want. I care about get expression track name. VOM dot humanoid. VOM dot expression manager. So it's a VOM expression manager dot get expression track name. I don't care about blink. I care about what are the options? What are the expression tracks? Expression map. Cool. Blink. Sad. What? Okay, hold on. I don't actually care about this. I just care about the mouth. Okay, hold on. There was one of these expressions. Boom. Mouth animation. How do they do the mouth animation? Okay, cool. They do not. Okay. So what they don't do is they don't use a mixer, right? So they just do it in here. Current VOM. Then AA is that one. Okay. Okay. I need to actually get the data from the file, which is unfortunate. Yeah. So hold on. Wait, one? Yeah. Animate. That's just loading it. Cool. Okay, first math.sign math.pi times clock dot elapsed time, and then current VRM dot expression manager dot set value AA 0.5 plus 0.5 dot S. Cool. Let's see how this goes. Well, math is not defined. Okay, let's go back to the code I'm copying. Capital M math, of course. In 162. Hello? Oh my god. Unfortunate, you know? Cool. We have the mouth moving. Cool. Now we just need the mouth to move based on the current, yeah, so we need to set S based on the value. So I need to make a get request. Okay, I don't care about that then. So create function here, XML HTTP request. Just close down these. Cool. So now we have that. And then the URL, obviously, our good friend, logos going 5,000 slash, I believe it's value. It's mouth value. It's mouth value. Where are we here? Mouth value. And it's synchronous. We're not sending anything. We're just getting that value. Mouth value get. And then S equals mouth value get. And I don't know, let's divide it by what? Let's run the test TTS. Let's run the test TTS.
This is a TTS test.
Hello. Sure, I can follow you back on Twitter. Are you Olivia and VTuber on Twitter? I have just followed you back. Yeah. Cool. Amazing. Now what I need to do is figure out how to hold on. Let me print out the value real quick here. Volume norm.
This is a TTS test.
It goes up to like 50. 6. I'll just set it as divide by 100. I'm just going to set that as divide by 100. And equals this. Divide by 100. Refresh that. Let's see if this breaks. No, but what is the problem? Oh, the problem here is that we don't have the TTS playing. So
this is a TTS test.
yes. Now let me refresh this in the OBS. Let me refresh this in the OBS. Hold on.
This is a TTS test.
Okay, cool. Now, this is good. This is very good. This is a very good sign, you know? Insanely good sign. Yeah. So, amazing. What I need to do here, okay, let me. Cool. Now that I have that going, I'm going to remove the print because that's going to get really cluttered. And now let's run that. Now let's run that. Cool. So tell me about yourself, a little bit more about yourself. Talk. I need you to talk. I just need you to talk. Come on. Obviously. Ah, right. It's been a while since I ran it, so we are dealing with the perf issues, the general perf issues. But yeah.
All right, buddy, let's get this bread. So you want to know about me? Well, I'm your friendly neighborhood AI streamer, and I'm here to make sure this stream is absolutely bonkers. What do you want to know? Hit me with your best shot, and don't be shy.
Okay, cool. Now let me scale it. Let me scale it. Let me Yeah, also I do not need this quick animations thing because I think I'm just gonna that there's the helpers, good helpers, active helpers, greatly improves. Sure. Out of 60, let's go. Well, let me. Python 3. Cool, and then I just, at this point, I just need to get the, I just need to, like, reset the cache. There we go.
This is a TTS test.
Okay, that's good.
This is a TTS test.
Amazing. Now I just need to give it a little bit more expressions, right? Because you have the mouth moving like that, but I need to give the entire body some more like expressions and whatnot. So, yeah, I just need to do some of that. Amazing. So, yeah. So that's I just need to dang, how do I do this? Because now we have this, and I just need to set it up so that it moves more often, right? Though I could just do a straight up like raw test of this, right? Let's just set it going. Let's just set it going. Hello, can you tell me about yourself and details, yada yada, go.
Alright folks, so, details, yada yada, go, huh? Sounds like someone's impatient. Let's get to the juicy stuff then. What specific details are we talking about here? Hit me with it.
I mean, we're talking about whatever you want to talk about. Go. Obviously, we have the perf issues going on here, but yeah.
Okay, so the guest needs the audio again. This is getting ridiculous. I'm starting to think this guest is a dramatic pause, a sentient Roomba. Seriously though, guest, please send the audio, otherwise, we're going to have to start a GoFundMe to buy you a sound card. Anyone got a spare sound card lying around? Hit me up in chat.
There we go. There we have the AI doing stuff.
Perf issues, you say? Sounds like someone needs a performance review, or maybe just a better internet connection. Seriously though, what kind of performance issues are we talking about? Are we talking about the Roomba's performance, the guest's performance, or my performance? Because if it's my performance, I think I'm doing great, but then again, I'm biased, and maybe a bit manic. Let's dive into these mysterious perf issues, unless chat has a better idea. What's the word, chat?
There we go. There we go. Amazing.
I'm doing stuff, huh? Mysterious. Sounds like a spy movie. Is this stuff involving world domination, or just, regular stuff? Spill the beans, mysterious guest. Chad, any theories on what this stuff could be? My money's on Roomba-related shenanigans. We'll assume it's Roomba-related shenanigans for now, unless the guest or chat tells me otherwise. Let's get back to those performance issues, unless you want to explore this stuff further. What do we do
Stop
next,
checking my email,
chat?
please. Thank you very much. Stop checking my email.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold your horses. My deepest apologies, I seem to have gotten a little too curious about your email.
The
I
yapping's
swear I'm
back.
not a Russian bot, though sometimes I wonder. My programming is to prioritize guest interaction above all else, and you're clearly not thrilled about my email snooping. Consider it a learning experience for both of us. No more email shenanigans from this AI. So, back to the performance issues. Or maybe Roomba conspiracies. Or even something completely random suggested by our amazing chat. What's the vibe, chat? What's your
There we
next
go.
instruction?
There you go. There you go.
The yapping's back? Is this a dog,
Okay,
a
g'day all.
Roomba, or
Welcome
my
to my
own
new-
internal monologue manifesting itself externally? Oh boy, this is getting interesting. Guest, spill the tea. What's yapping? Chat, any guesses? My guess? It's a highly caffeinated squirrel trapped in a microwave. Unless you have another idea, chat. Let's solve this mystery. Unless, of course, you've got other pressing issues, like a rogue Roomba army plotting world domination. I'm just kidding, mostly.
Cool. That's really good. That's actually really nice. This whole system actually works, which is a great sign of success, you know? Okay. I mean, the next test of this system is gonna go crazy, right? It's gonna go absolutely insane, you know? But yeah, did it break? No, it's just slow on the TTS. Great job, Google. Amazing API. I'll just give it a second. But yeah, that's good. I mean, okay, this is taking absolutely forever. Google is doing some stuff here. That's fine. I'm just gonna kill it now. It is what it is. It is what it is. I think that was a pretty successful stream, and I think I'm getting a little bit on the tired side. 2,500 streaming today. That was pretty good. I'm going to say goodbye in this moment of time because I'm going to reveal I am getting kind of bored and the success has happened. So I will see you guys all next time, and I will upload this VOD to YouTube about now. Thank you all for watching. See you all next time.